Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back out here in Liberty, Missouri. As you can see, we are in the process of cleaning out the first third of our 34 King Pier holes. We are going to be tunneling underneath just enough to be able to fit our load-bearing steel plate, our King Pier, and two 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks that'll be placed on the load-bearing plate on each side of the pier. And then once we're ready to lift, we're going to extend those bottle jacks and start raising that pier until it's tight against the underside of the existing footing. Now, on this particular project, we are not going to be doing any kind of substantial raise of the footing. They just want this to be supported. So we're going to lift it just enough to maybe fit one or two shims in and just make sure that the footing is tight, locked into place with our pier. And then once all of the piers are ready and in place, we will come in with high-strength concrete and fully encase our pier in that concrete. It's going to be vibrated, so we are essentially creating a new high-strength concrete footing around our pier that's going to support this existing footing. Everything that we've broken out, we will get that re-poured during the same process. And then once that's done, we'll simply backfill, try to get the back of this building looking as nice and neat as we possibly can, and that should be it. So yeah, well, we are in the process of getting these, the first third cleaned out. We're also getting the remaining concrete broken up over there. That way we can just continue moving on. Once we get this part piered up, the rest will be ready. So stay tuned for more updates. King Piers out here in Liberty, Missouri. If you have any questions about your own foundation, whether it's you're seeing any kind of foundation settlement, doors, windows not opening correctly, water infiltration, leaning walls, if it has something to do with the foundation that you're concerned with, give us a call. 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And again, don't forget, you can always check out all of our videos on YouTube and Facebook. If you haven't visited either channel before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.